Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Civil Wizard and today we are going to learn how to set unit in Autocad for beginners. Now we can see start drawing option is here and click on this option. Then one new page will be formed where we have to set some units which will be required at first. Then we have commands like UN which will you can see that UN means units and UN space, then it will come to this point. Let us see this. There are many options like decimal, precision, and millimeters. We can use architectural for architects and civil engineers, decimal for mechanical engineers. So I'm civil engineer, that's why I'm going to use this architectural type, and precision 00. And if we are doing in architectural, then we have to use in inches, then it will be okay. Other we should not do anything, we should leave them as it is. Then we have to click OK button. That unit is set up. Now we have another work, that is dimension. We have to see dimension and use command D and space. Space will work as enter. You can also enter from enter button, but it will be easier by using space button. So space, then here is one option, modify. Click on modify. Then in primary units, unit format, I'm going to use architectural, as I have already used in architectural form, precision to 00. Now okay, click on OK button. Other is already in their form, so we have to change only in primary units. So click on OK. Then there is no any OK button or apply button. So as we have changed there, then here is one option, that is set current. Click on set current, then it will be it in that form what we have modified. Okay, now I will click on set current, then close. Now for beginners, let's begin from the command line. As we can see a line option here, but it will be more easier and flexible by using command after practicing. So line command is L and space. I will click at one point and this cursor is moving up and down and left and right. That's why there is one option, ortho. Ortho is over here, ortho mode. I will click on ortho, then it will not move up down and left right. That's why now line, I need, let's assume 10 feet and click 10 feet and space, then it will automatically provide us 10 feet. Now for escaping we have to use ESC button. ESC, look, we can see here a line which is of 10 feet but we have to be sure that if it is 10 feet or not. For that we have one command which will be used for dimension. Command is DLI, but we can see here dimension as well. Dimension as well. So I will not be using this dimension option, but I will be using command DLI space. Click on one point and to another point and move a little bit upward. Then you can see this line is 10 feet. Okay. Now, as we have learned to draw a line, let us learn how to make rectangle. Now there is one easier way to make rectangle, that is from command rec. Then if we'll click on one some at one end, then it will come in the form of rectangle. But at beginning, let us use by using lines. Line L space, click somewhere, and of let us assume again of 10 feet. Okay, then it will be here. Then length by breadth, now I will be using 12 feet again, and space, I have not clicked anywhere, just move my cursor up down, that's it. And to the left I will be using 10 feet again, space, and I will be joining over here. Now after that rectangle is formed, ESC button is used like this, and it will be removed. Now let us check whether this rectangle is of 10 by 12 or not. For that I have already told DLI command is used, where at first we have to click on one in and another in and move certain there. Then look, 12 feet. Let us see again, DLI space, then from one point to another point there is one dimension which I have already selected, that is 10 feet. Okay, it is nice, it is all set. if you are if you are not that used to of using DLI, and you are that if you are not used to by using always that command, and you are bored of using that same command, then you can use for further command by entering space, then the same command will be appear. And again, we should, it is not always compulsory to use DLI after it has been used, then simultaneously we can use space and from here to here like this. But after this command, if you will be using any other command like L space and you will be drawing this, then after entering space it will not come of the command of dimension. It will be, sorry, it will come the command that is used just earlier. Okay, and this is for today. We have known about units and dimensions, and I will be further teaching about, I will be further and thank you. And this much is for today, and this video was about how to set unit and dimension. I will be posting another videos about plans and SketchUps in next class. Thank you.